dam. Why? Tape dam goes on when you're going over 3 ounces per square foot. When I do the rolling stone, I like to put down about 4 to 5 ounces per square foot. This is Just Resin limited edition Midnight Blue. Woo! I get my Just Resin pigments and pastes at rk3designs.com and at artisttilldeath.com. Both epoxy artisans sell stone coat products, as well as a enormous selection of epoxy pastes and powders that we don't carry. Oh my goodness gracious. Pretty ocean blue. It's got a purple vibe in there. Wow. Our polycolor powders are designed and formulated for epoxy resin to stay color fast for years and years, even in direct sunlight. A few tablespoons per about, 20 ounces of resin, but tint it till your color's achieved. When you can pull up your stick and lay it flat and not see the stick, you're completely opaque. No need to add any more metallic at that point. It's not going to get any more color in there. I'm wiping off the epoxy with isopropyl alcohol on a towel. That way I could reuse those sticks later on for my next project. And just wet down a paper towel. It also is handy on pulling up this loose powder, but really it's not going to matter once you put epoxy over that. Blue earth, this is one of my favorite colors of all time. It goes with greens and bronzes and blues. Very pretty accent. The vast majority of our metallic powders are also cosmetic grade, so we're doing the roller technique on this one today. The Rolling Stone, I think, is the winning name. I don't know, let me know in the comments below when you see how I do this countertop finish. I've been asking folks for names. What should I call this technique? Not so much this color, but this technique I do where I take a roller and I'm melding colors by gliding a roller, twisting it around as I incorporate the colors together. It's like a A roller swipe, some people have said. Rolling stone. Rolling stone doesn't never gather any moss, I've heard. My papa was not a rolling stone. Wherever he laid his hat was not his home. His home was at home. Alright guys, 1/4 inch snap roller. It can be 4, it could be 6, it could be 9, it could be 18. This is the same sort of technique I use when making epoxy floors. So I mix up my flooring epoxy, I divide it up into separate buckets, larger than these of course, and then I pour the big buckets out on the floor in about 5-inch to 8-inch ribbons. And then I use a big roller on a stick to meld those colors. I've never tested out these colors before. This is behind the scenes, folks. But what we do is we just start layering. And it's okay for all this mess. It's gonna get hidden here. Ooh, this is that just resin. Wow, that's pretty.